How to post jobs in Indeed for free. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to post jobs in Indeed for free. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost step is create an account. So sign in or go to Indeed for Employers page to create an account. And once you have created your account, write your job title and description. To post a job, enter your company name, job title, job description, and job location. For any job description, you'll want to include information like what role a candidate will play in your organization and the characteristics of the ideal candidate. Next, state your job requirements. If you would like your candidate to have certain experiences or skills, you have the option to state job requirements like education level and years of experience. The next step is sponsor your job to hire great people faster. While you can choose to post your job for free, you also have the option to sponsor your job. Sponsored jobs are promoted by employers and receive better visibility in search results. Sponsored jobs are also 3.5 times more likely to result in a higher than non-sponsored jobs. So this is how you can post jobs in Indeed for free. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.